Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session we're gonna see some of the navigation methods available in Selenium using Python concept. So this we have discussed in the Java concept as well. So in case if you are learning Java and you wanted to see how the navigation works, so I will share the link in the description box. You can find from there. And let's get start with Python and Selenium. So before we get started, we need to create one project. So in case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier sessions where we have discussed how to create a project and how to navigate. So as soon as we create one Python file, we need to start from Selenium and we need to import a WebDriver. Right. After that, we need to use driver equals the WebDriver dot Chrome. So C should be a capital letter and then this is a Chrome method. So from Selenium 4.6 version, we don't need to provide again executable path, or we don't need to provide third-party WebDriver API manager. So it can handle without giving that executable paths. So use this version. So I'm into the latest version of Selenium, and now we need to use a website. So in my case, I'm going to use a simple website. So that website is this page. So Google's website I'm gonna use. So this will be my website, right? So after that I need to use something, or I need to navigate to some other page before doing this navigation options. So here we have about, right? So right click and inspect, and you can see here there is a lot many things under this, but we can use the link text, so which is called about. So you need to copy that, and we need to simply use this driver dot find element. And from Selenium 4 we need to use find element. Before that we have a find element by element underscore by underscore xpath. And now we need to import this by. So this will be available in Selenium Commons. You can see here Selenium WebDriver Commons by. Right. Under that we need to use link. I think it's a capital letters, not small letters. So link text, comma separated, and we need to provide as a key value pair dot click. Right. So this will take me to the next page. So this will, as soon as I click this about, it will take me to this page. Now using the available options in the Selenium, I will navigate back again. So without using any options, we can use directly driver dot back. So this method is helpful to navigate back whenever you navigate forward or navigate to a new page. This method help you to use the history of your browser and come back to the previous page, right? After that I need to again go forward. So for that you need to use driver dot again forward. So from the backward page or my previous page, once you are in the previous page, then from that page again you will come back to the about page. So initially you are in the Google search page, then you will go to the about page. From about page you will come back to the Google page, and from Google page again you will go back to the about page. So this will all it do, and we do have one more method called driver dot refresh. So this will refresh your page. So between I'm gonna give time dot sleep, just to give you some wait mechanism so that you will understand what all the operations that it is performing, right? And I'm gonna add some comments, right? So this comments will help you to understand what is the methods here. So after that refresh, I'm gonna simply use driver dot quit, right? Simply save, and I'm gonna right click and run this. So now it has opened the web page. Now it went to the about, it came back 2 seconds, again it went forward, it will refresh now. So these are all the things that we can use using a navigation methods. And I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, queries, you can share in my comment section. I will help you out. Thank you for watching.